I'm in quarantine, I can't make money. What do I do?
Hey, keep me where the light is, keep me where the bright is. Too late, can you show me where the ride is? I've been on the low side, I've been on the...
So guys, before starting with this video, I want to tell you that BA Pusher is back.
Who is BA Pusher, darling influencer?
BA Pusher is one of the people who help you and I make more and more money, guys. So he is back. He was focusing on his course, but now he is back, guys. Go right now. You don't have to watch this video. Go right now to his video, guys, and watch his videos, guys. I'm telling you, his videos are cool. Go right now. I'm giving you time to go. Then you can come back when you have come back from BA Pusher. Why are you still here? Come on, why are you still here? Good day, gang. Your boy here, Dollar Influencer, and today back at with another YouTube video. In this video, okay, let's go back to the normal pacing. What's good, D gang? Your boy here, Dollar Influencer, and today back at with another YouTube video. And in this video, I will be showing you 2 more free websites to make money, to make active income online. So if you haven't watched part 1, just click on this and it will take you right to part 1. So without wasting any time, let's get into this video. And don't forget, D gang, if you want to make money, there are 2 things which you have to do, and I'm sure you already guessed it. First being, check out this playlist, and the second being, hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that when I upload, you are actually the first to be notified. That's if you like money, by the way. So let's jump right into it. And the second best website to make money online is Skillshare. If you don't know what Skillshare is an online learning community from where people can learn from educational videos. So where does that bring you and I? Guess what? We are the people who are going to help other people gain skills. And guess what? I do know that you have a skill, so don't try and lie to me. You do have a skill. Whether it's drinking water, okay, let's leave water out of the question. Whether it's actually helping people speak Spanish. If you know how to speak Spanish, go for it. I'm telling you, people would love to learn how to speak Spanish. So go on the website, sign up to be a freelancer and teach people new skills. Whether it's drinking water, whether it's teaching people how to speak English, whether it's filming videos. And tell me in the comment section down below whether or not you would like to see how I film, because I see other YouTubers be like, we don't have this and that. Yeah, tell me if you want to see how my whole filming setup looks, guys. It's not big. So if you know how to edit a picture, edit a video, go for it, guys. Go to Skillshare and start making money. What I love about Skillshare is that you don't really have to have, for example, YouTube is almost the same as Skillshare, but on YouTube you have to accumulate 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I know it can be hard, but it's not hard, guys. It's not hard. But for now, I would recommend, if you want to make money like now, go on Skillshare. But if you want to make money in long term, then start a YouTube channel. So that is all I have to say for Skillshare. The number 1 app to make money online is Rev.com. Rev.com is by far the best website to make money online, guys. You can make $200 per week on this website, but this website requires you to have 3 things. First is time. Second is a skill of speaking English fluently. The third being having a laptop or desktop or computer which you can work on. The reason why Rev.com needs these 3 things from you is because Rev.com is one of the best transcribing websites out there. So they need freelancers which they can rely on. If they can't rely on you to make a transcript, they can't hire you. So if you want to get hired on Rev.com, all you got to do is have those 3 things. On Rev.com, there's no specific time which you have to work. There you can work anytime which you feel like working. Then you get paid on Mondays 5 p.m. Pacific time. So if you have those 3 things, Rev.com can test you, and once you have been approved, you can start working instantly. So guys, this is all the information I had for you today. Don't forget to subscribe and like, turn on post notifications so that when I upload, you are the first to be notified. Don't forget to check out this playlist, guys. Dollar Influencer, I'm out. Peace.